So yes, just to quickly touch, of course, on where exactly we are located. We're on the Gold Coast. Casey mentioned there's 50 kilometers worth of beach that you'll have access to as a student to unwind and de-stress. We have, several professionally recognized law degrees, including the Bachelor of Laws too. So absolutely do contact me if you are a student with partially complete university studies, college studies, associate's degree studies from Canada, or a direct applicant from high school. That would probably be the path for you. But if you're a student who's going to be completing an undergraduate degree, then the JD is the degree for you. Going to show some more into our moot courts, which are fully modeled after the Australian and Canadian courts that you will absolutely be in if you're going to be in litigation of any form. Legal skills room, always really cool. Many students don't exactly know that this view exists when they're in their assessments, but these are professors in the blue lighting who are able to see through the one-sided glass into the student assessments and prompt them with timing, but otherwise removes the professor's eyes and has more of a realistic feel, like you and the client are just in that room. Extremely small tutorial class sizes, so 11-to-1 student to professor ratio, highly personalized and allowing you to feel very comfortable asking questions. Our Faculty of Law building, it not only houses the classroom spaces, the moot courts, the Law Student Association offices, all three, and it also houses the fully equipped law library with librarians who are specialists in many different areas of law and legal research methods, and they can help you out, especially when you're in a jam for your first assessments of figuring out legal citation. I touched a little bit on the Bond Law Clinic, the fact that we are offering pro bono services to the Gold Coast community at large, and you as a student can directly take part in that. Some of the members of the Canadian Law Students Association throughout the last few semesters, actually the sitting president, Aidan Anthony, a great Austrek story, who came from Edmonton, and he's now, he's getting towards the end of his degree, but I did see him featured in one of those yacht videos telling students to come out this weekend, so he's definitely still on campus, enjoying himself, and he is an LLB student. Our lovely Kaya, the law dog. You'll find out more. I won't have enough time to get into that tonight, but you'll find out more. And again, more students really from across the country that are being represented on the Law Students Association, taking part, beefing up their resume, exercising their ability to gain some leadership skills while in law school.